Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker. Wir sind jetzt bei der zweite Drittel des Konversations. In this video, we're going to be reviewing not only how we talk about listing things, but also what we like to do in our free time, what we like to eat, what kind of activities we enjoy, and also what kind of subjects or what we like in school. Okay, don't forget that on this slide in your Pear Deck, you can click on all of these to hear me say them one more time. And I've underlined all the different parts of the SVI, the information parts that you can put in for yourself. And don't forget that these once again are going into your guided notes, either digital or analog, whatever you choose. And let's go ahead and get started with the listing here. We're going to be talking about a definite article. That's der, die, das first. Was ist das? Das ist das Handy. So it's not der Handy or die Handy, it's das Handy this time. And I'm going to be using that for the rest of these two. Was ist das? Das ist das Handy. Das ist ein Handy. Das ist ein Handy. Prima. Und das ist mein Handy. Das ist mein Handy. Prima. Sehr gut. Next one talks about your free time. Was machst du gern in deiner Freizeit? Was machst du gern in deiner Freizeit? Whoops. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened there. Let's go back. Here we go. Ich spiele gern Videospiele und tanze gern in meiner Freizeit. Prima, sehr gut. All right, and the next part is going to be asking about what we like to eat. Was möchtest du essen? Ich mag Schokolade, aber ich mag Gemüse nicht. Was möchtest du essen? Oder was möchtest du trinken? Ich mag Schokolade, aber ich mag Gemüse nicht. Prima, yeah. Maybe there's some people out there who agree with me. Welcher Sport magst du? Welcher Sport magst du? Ich mag Fußball, aber Baseball nicht. Ich mag Fußball, aber ich mag Baseball nicht. Prima. Hopefully I didn't offend anybody there. Und der nächste. Was ist dein Lieblingsfach? Asking about school. Frau Walker sagt, ich mag Kunst, aber ich mag Mathe nicht. Ich mag Kunst, aber ich mag Mathe nicht. Prima. See how you did there? Did you do all right? Mathe is pretty easy. Kunst might have been a little bit difficult. Last but not least, getting into those guided notes and making sure you get all of that information that you want to put into those underlined parts into your sentences. All right, now it's time for you to practice. Auf Wiedersehen!